and welcome to Miss Poland's class. Today we're going to be answering how many questions for numbers 10 to 20. So first I'm just going to do a little review of our counting. So we're going to count the regular way first and count from 10 to 20, just counting normal. So let's go ahead and count with me, okay? We have 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, friends, instead of that way, we're going to go ahead and count the say 10 way because that helps us see our team numbers as a group of 10 ones and another set of ones. So our first one, we start with 10 and then we go 10, 1. That's the same thing as 11. So let's go ahead and count all the way to 20. Ready? So we'll start again at 10. 10. And then we do 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, and then instead of saying 10, 10, it's 2 10s, that's 20. So we have 2 10s. Okay, friends, so counting the say 10 way can actually help you when asked how many or what number comes next. So if we start with 10, and then we did last time where we said one more is. So you would have 10, 1. So if you know that 10 and 1 makes 11 fun, that helps you know that 10 comes after, or 11 comes after 10, because it's 10 and 1 more. 10, 1 makes 11 fun. Now, friends, let's try and trick you. What if I started with 13? So first you need to know that 13 is 10, 3. Right? It's a 10 and a 3. Or we could write it like this instead. Let's make it a little bit easier. 13 is a 10 and a 3, right? Makes 13 climb a tree. So if you want to know what's next, instead of 10, 3, you would say 10, 4. So if you know that 10 and 4 makes 14 score, it's easy for you to figure out that 14 comes after 13. And you can do this and test each other, maybe with a partner or by yourself, all the way to the number 20. Okay, friends? And then we're also going to try it if we can answer how many questions and what number comes next, or is one more, if we have circular configurations or drawings. So Miss Poland's going to go ahead and draw a circle on her paper, so you can go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to pick any number, 10 to 20, and draw it around my circle as dots. Okay, so let's see. Let's start with 15. So I'm going to draw 15 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15 dots. Do you guys know what is one more than 15? I don't know. So if you know really easily, then you can just go ahead and write it. So this is 15. And Miss Poland knows, oops, that was a funny 5. Miss Poland knows that 15 and 1 more is 16. That's what comes next. Okay, but if you didn't know that, then you could just go ahead and draw one more dot. And now you can count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in my box down here, because that's what our question set will look like. We started with 15, we drew one more, and that was 16 total. That's what comes next after 15. Okay, and you guys can go ahead and try this with a bunch of different numbers. So you can draw a new circle, and maybe do 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if you know what comes after 11, you can just go ahead and write it in the box. But if you don't know, you can use the picture to help you. So you can draw one more dot and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And see how Miss Poland crosses them out as she counts to make sure she doesn't mess up? So 11 and one more dot is 12. So 12 comes after 11. And you guys can test all of your numbers from 10 to 20 to see if you know how many using pictures and using your say 10 numbers, counting that way, to get you to answer how many and what comes next in the numbers 10 to 20. Okay, friends, thank you for listening.